So today I'm going to teach you how to make slime. First you need cup, a mixing stick, some glue, white glue, clear glue, detergent, optional, hair gel. So first you put in the glue in the cup, then you put your detergent inside. Okay, then you mix it up. Now after that you're going to need it is, I think it's going to take about 5 minutes because it's very sticky. Yes. Then you need newspaper, and you're going to dab the extra detergent. Yeah, so that's it for today. Oh yeah, and I have something to show you. Look. Do you think this is a bottle? You think so? I don't think so. See? You know it's a bottle, but on top, see, it's transparent. You see? Weird, right? Haven't tried this yet. I bought this at Mustafa. It's $1. Cheap. Very cheap. Then I'm going to taste this. Sparkling apple. So nice. Tastes like Fuji apple. So that's it. My taste test is over, and I'm going to finish this. Bye. And please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Sorry.